This tutorial will demonstrate how to send a broadcast using a template with a marketing opt-out button. Before sending a broadcast, make sure your template has been approved by WhatsApp. You can send the broadcast in two ways, either via outbound message or inbox menus. On the outbound message menu, you can use WhatsApp broadcast or broadcast to all channels feature. We will now show you how to send a broadcast via the WhatsApp broadcast feature and inbox menus. To send a broadcast via WhatsApp broadcast feature, go to the outbound message menu and select WhatsApp broadcast. Click the Add New Broadcast button. In this tutorial, we will send a broadcast message to a customer group. To do this, select from Customer Groups. You can also send the broadcast to a single phone number or upload a CSV file. Select a customer group and input the broadcast name, then click Next. Select your chosen message template and broadcast language. Download the group CSV template if you want to add or edit customer group data. Upload the CSV file. The difference between sending a marketing opt-out template and other templates is that you can set who the broadcast will be sent to, whether to all customers or only customers who have dropped out. You can also set whether the broadcast will be sent right away or scheduled for later. Click Send to finish the process. To send an opt-out marketing template via the inbox menu, you can follow these steps. Go to the inbox page and select an expired WhatsApp conversation. Click the Start Chat button and then click Continue. In the Open Session Chat section, select Broadcast Message Template and select the message template according to the name of your marketing opt-out template. Fill in the required variables if needed, then click Send. If a customer chooses to opt out a marketing message, an opt-out date will appear in the chat and customer info section. When a customer has opted out, you can no longer send templates with marketing categories to this customer. Hence, you will get a message like this when you want to send templates with marketing categories. However, you are still able to send message templates of the other categories, including the marketing opt-out category.